Hello friends, it's Reza. Thank you for coming to channel Reza Blade, and we are working on the 17th of my 30 and 30 take 3. We're doing a bunch of reviews this month, 30 to be exact, and I have some MoYou London plates for you today. The Sailor Collection 16 and the Sci Fi Collection number 10. I did one mani today. It's a mani with a Sharpie, well, number of Sharpies. And the way that you do that is that you draw in Sharpie on the actual plate, and then you put white stamping polish on there, and then you just scrape and proceed. So I'm pretty happy with this one. I hope you guys like it too. And so let's look at the Sci-Fi plate real quick. I know you guys saw this once before when I previewed them. I got this one from Beautometry.com during an excellent sale. Now, MoYou London plates are fabulous. They are a plate brand that I would recommend to newcomers to the stamping hobby. And this is Sailor Collection number 16. Let's look at this the way it is oriented. It's like this. And then I've got some swatches for you. Let's take a look at those now. Now don't forget, guys, I have a giveaway coming up. We're doing the giveaway when I reach 555 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe and give this video a like if you enjoyed seeing these plates today. I'd love to hear your comments below or any questions that you have for me. No particular tips and tricks today, just a straightforward swatcheroo. Although I really love this stamp. I mean this image. Alright, excellent. So I will see you guys later today, and thank you so much for joining me. Hope you like the MoYou London plates. We've got a lot more coming up. Bye.